In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of LinkedIn Sales Navigator, a powerful tool for B2B sales success. We'll cover everything from your account to advanced lead generation techniques and more. So let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's just understand what LinkedIn Sales Navigator is and how it can benefit your B2B sales efforts. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a specialized subscription service offered by LinkedIn, designed specifically for B2B sales professionals and businesses. And it's a powerful tool that provides a host of features and functionalities to help you identify, connect with, and nurture potential leads and prospects within the LinkedIn platform. So let's delve into how Sales Navigator can benefit your B2B sales efforts. Sales Navigator offers advanced search and filtering options that allow you to pinpoint your ideal leads based on specific criteria, such as industry, job title, company size, and more. And this means that you can identify prospects that align perfectly with your target audience, saving you valuable time and effort. With Sales Navigator, you can send direct in-mail messages to potential leads, even if you're not connected with them. And it's this personalized outreach that can be a game changer for initiating meaningful conversations. The ability to add personalized notes when sending connection requests adds that personal touch to your outreach efforts. Sales Navigator provides lead recommendations based on your saved leads and preferences. This feature helps you to discover new, potentially valuable leads that you may not have found otherwise. You'll receive real-time alerts about your saved leads and accounts, keeping you informed about their activities, their job changes, and engagement with your content. And this allows you to reach out at the most opportune moments. Sales Navigator's Team Link feature shows you how your colleagues are connected to leads or accounts. This collaborative approach enables you to leverage your team's network for introductions and connections. Sales Navigator can integrate seamlessly with various customer relationship management systems, CRM systems, streamlining your lead management process and ensuring data consistency. You will have access to insights and analytics that provide valuable information about lead engagement and your content's performance. And it's these insights that can help you refine your strategy for better results. In essence, LinkedIn Sales Navigator empowers B2B sales professionals with the tools and the data needed to identify, connect with, and nurture potential leads effectively. It offers a strategic advantage by enabling you to focus your efforts on the most promising prospects, making your B2B sales efforts more efficient and ultimately contributing to your business's success. In the noisy digital landscape, targeted lead generation is the name of the game. And we'll emphasize why it's crucial to focus your efforts on the right prospects and how LinkedIn Sales Navigator can help you identify and connect with them. In the realm of B2B sales, pinpointing the right prospects is non-negotiable for success. Wasting resources on inefficient outreach is not an option. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is your invaluable partner in this endeavor. So why is it crucial to target the right prospects? By concentrating efforts on the right prospects, you maximize resource efficiency and boost ROI. Focusing on specific prospects allows for personalized communication, increasing your chances of capturing their attention. When your offering aligns with the prospect's needs, conversion rates naturally rise, fostering valuable business relationships. Targeting the right prospects helps to build a reputation as an industry authority, attracting even more high-quality leads. So how does LinkedIn Sales Navigator help? Sales Navigator offers precise search filters for narrowing down leads based on parameters such as industry, job title, location, and company size. It provides lead recommendations based on your preferences and your saved leads, ensuring that you discover the ideal prospects. You can send personalized in-mail messages to prospects even if you're not connected to initiate meaningful conversations directly. Sales Navigator keeps you informed with real-time alerts about your saved leads and accounts, ensuring that you never miss a critical moment to engage with a prospect. In a nutshell, LinkedIn Sales Navigator streamlines your quest for the right prospects, saving time and resources and positioning you for B2B sales success. Now, let's explore how Sales Navigator perfectly complements your existing LinkedIn presence. Your LinkedIn profile is your professional identity, and Sales Navigator seamlessly integrates with it. We'll discuss how it augments your profile by providing valuable insights, making your outreach more efficient, and helping you to build stronger connection. LinkedIn Sales Navigator isn't just a tool, It's a strategic ally that enhances your LinkedIn profile and supercharges your B2B sales efforts. And here's how it augments your profile and transforms your approach to outreach. Sales Navigator provides you with a treasure trove of insights. It's like having a crystal ball for your leads. These insights include real-time updates, job changes, and company news related to your saved leads and accounts. And this information is invaluable for crafting personalized and timely messages that resonate with your prospects. With Sales Navigator, your outreach becomes highly efficient. You can send personalized in-mail messages directly to prospects even if you're not connected. And it's this direct line of communication that eliminates the need to rely solely on connection requests and significantly speeds up the engagement process. Sales Navigator empowers you to build stronger and more meaningful connections. And you'll know more about your leads and their interests too, allowing you to tailor your communication to their preferences. This level of personalization not only captures their attention, but it also fosters trust and rapport. Additionally, Sales Navigator's Team Link feature shows you how your colleagues are connected to leads or accounts. This collaborative approach enables you to leverage your team's network for introductions and connections, further strengthening your relationships. In essence, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is your secret weapon for enhancing your profile, making your outreach laser-focused and efficient, and ultimately helping you build stronger and more valuable connections in the world of B2B sales. But let's walk through the process of setting up your Sales Navigator account step by step. Now, the first step in leveraging the power of LinkedIn Sales Navigator is creating your account and selecting the right subscription plan. Okay, so now that you've got your Sales Navigator account ready, let's ensure that your profile is set up for maximum visibility and impact. We'll show you the key profile optimizations and settings adjustments that can make a significant difference. A well-optimized profile attracts the right connections and showcases your professional expertise. Your LinkedIn profile is your digital resume, and optimizing it for maximum impact can make a substantial difference in your B2B sales success. So let's delve into the key profile optimizations and settings adjustments that will help you shine on the platform. Your headline is the first thing that people see. So instead of just listing your job title, craft a headline that showcases your expertise and the value that you bring to potential connections. Your summary, that's your elevator pitch. Use it to tell your professional story. Highlight your accomplishments and convey your passion for your industry. Make it engaging and reader-friendly. You've got to upload a high-quality professional headshot. A clear, friendly, and approachable photo helps to establish trust and encourages connection requests. List your work experience comprehensively, emphasizing your achievements and your responsibilities. Use action-oriented language and quantify your accomplishments when possible. Select relevant skills that reflect your expertise. Encourage colleagues and connections to endorse these skills to boost your credibility. Seek recommendations from colleagues, from supervisors, or even clients who can vouch for your skills and work ethic. Genuine recommendations add significant weight to your profile. Ensure that your contact information is up to date and it's easily accessible. Make it simple for potential leads to reach out to you. Customize your LinkedIn URL to include your name, making it easy for people to find you. It looks more professional and it's way easier to share. Review and adjust your privacy settings to control who can see your connections, your activity feed, and other profile details. This helps you to maintain your privacy while still connecting with potential leads. Regularly share status updates related to your industry, your achievements, and insights. This is going to keep your profile fresh and engaging for your network. By implementing these profile optimizations and these setting adjustments, you'll present yourself as a polished and professional LinkedIn user. This, in turn, attracts more connections and leads, enhancing your B2B sales efforts on the platform. Well, it's time to put your Sales Navigator account to work by expanding your network and connecting with your existing contacts. So now that you've got your account set up, let's go and explore the Sales Navigator dashboard and its key features. Sales Navigator provides valuable insights about your leads. Here's how to leverage them. Step 1, access your leads profile. Step 2, take note of their recent activities and interests. Step 3, craft a personalized message referencing their activities and demonstrating value. Timely engagement is key for lead nurturing. And here's what you need to do. Step 1, set up alerts for your key leads. Step 2, regularly review their activities. Step 3, reach out with relevant content or a personalized message when they are most active. Thought leadership is achievable through LinkedIn groups and content sharing. Here's how to go about it. Step 1. Identify relevant LinkedIn groups in your industry. Step 2. Join these groups and engage in meaningful discussions. Step 3. Share valuable content and insights that showcase your expertise. Seamlessly integrating Sales Navigator with your CRM system can enhance your sales process. So let's discuss integration options and benefits. First, let's go ahead and understand the landscape of CRM integration with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. CRM, it stands for Customer Relationship Management, and integrating it with Sales Navigator opens up a world of possibilities. You can seamlessly transfer leads and valuable data between the two systems, and it allows for better organization and tracking of your leads and prospects. Now let's dive into how CRM integration streamlines lead management and tracking. Step 1. Connect your CRM system with Sales Navigator. Step 2. Automatically sync leads from Sales Navigator to your CRM. Step 3. Easily track the progress of your leads and nurture them efficiently. Step 4. Ensure that no lead falls through the cracks with automated follow-ups. Beyond lead management, CRM integration enhances sales team collaboration and productivity. Step 1. Share lead information with your sales team in real time. Step 2. Collaborate on strategies and personalized approaches. Step 3. Reduce manual data entry, allowing your team to focus on closing deals. Step 4. Gain valuable insights into team performance and optimize your sales processes. And finally, let's explore the analytics and reporting features of Sales Navigator to measure your success and make data-driven decisions. Now, before you can optimize your strategy, you need to access the right data. Step 1. Log into your LinkedIn Sales Navigator account. Step 2. Navigate to the Analytics or Reporting section. Step 3. Explore the various metrics available, including profile views, in-mail response rates, and more. So now let's dig into how to analyze lead engagement and conversion rates effectively. Step 1. Focus on key engagement metrics like in-mail response rates, connection acceptance rates, and profile views. Step 2. Dive deeper into conversion rates by tracking leads from initial contact to conversion or sale. Step 3. Identify trends and patterns in your data to understand what's working and what needs improvement. The real value of these metrics lies in how you use them to refine your sales strategy. Step 1. Regularly review your metrics and compare them to your goals. Step 2. Identify areas where you can improve, such as refining your messaging or targeting. Step 3. Experiment with different approaches based on your insights and track the results. Step 4. Continuously iterate and adapt your strategy to achieve better results. And hey, congratulations! You've just completed our comprehensive guide to LinkedIn Sales Navigator for B2B sales success. We really hope that you found this video valuable and that it helps you to achieve your sales goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And remember that LinkedIn Sales Navigator is just one tool in your sales arsenal, so keep exploring and refining your strategies. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.